On May 31st, skywatchers around the world will witness a rare monthly blue moon, the second full moon to appear in a single calendar month. The first full moon, known as the flower moon, occurred on May 1st, making the second full moon at the end of the month the official blue moon under the modern definition. But what's fascinating is that this meaning of blue moon actually began because of a mistake. Today, most people define a blue moon as the second full moon in 1 month, but originally, the term meant something very different. In the 1930s, the Maine Farmer's Almanac used blue moon to describe the third full moon in a season containing 4 full moons, instead of the usual 3. This helped keep seasonal calendars and traditional moon names aligned with farming cycles and religious observances. Then, in 1946, a writer for Sky and Telescope magazine accidentally misunderstood the almanac's explanation and incorrectly described a blue moon as the second full moon in a calendar month. Normally, a publishing error would fade into history. But in the 1980s, the incorrect definition was repeated during a popular radio program and quickly spread through newspapers, books, television, and eventually the internet. Over time, the mistaken version became more famous than the original. Adding to the rarity, the May 31st blue moon will also be a micromoon, meaning the moon will appear slightly smaller and dimmer than usual because it will be near its farthest point from Earth in its orbit. And despite the name, the moon almost certainly won't appear blue at all. So, when you look up at the sky on May 31st, you'll be witnessing not only a rare lunar event, but also a fascinating example of how one simple misunderstanding changed astronomical history forever. Subscribe to it Beyond Earth, buckle up for more stories from space and the night sky.